Welcome to the Verticaplus app. In this short video, I'm going to explain how to use the app and gain the most effective treatment by using its features. So, we created this app to provide you with real-time treatment guides to give you the confidence to perform your treatment most effectively and attain the best results. To track your future progress, we need to set a baseline of data. Make sure that your internet connection is active in order to use your Verticaplus with your app. The devices will automatically connect, which may take a couple of seconds, and a self-test will follow to check that Verticaplus is ready to operate. Now after that, we have arrived at the home page of the app, where we will show and explain the icons and the features. Up in the top right, you will see your battery indicator, which shows the battery status of the Verticaplus device. Just beside that, on the left, we have the Bluetooth connection of the app with the device. You want to make sure that the app is connected to the device before you proceed. To assure the best treatment, we have included a tutorial video which you can play at all times during the treatment. When you click on the tutorial button, you can see tutorial videos on how to use Vertica. In the right corner, you will see an arrow icon that shows your current treatment results. Here you have two sections. One measures results for your treatments with just the ring, and a second one separately measures your treatments when you use the ring and the pad. You can see the time, quality treatment, a graph that shows your quality treatment over the treatment time, and the energy level you used with the time. In these sections, you can see your overall treatment time, the quality level of your treatment, and details of the energy levels you use during the treatment. A review of your results can help you see how the results of your treatment, and if you have any questions, you can share them with Vertica's customer care team. This way, they can provide better guidance and share treatment tips with you. In the footer of the app, we have our home icon. When you click on that, you will get to the home screen. Next, we have the calendar button. The calendar screen will display all treatments you underwent in this specific month. The turquoise circles will indicate the treatment day. And if you had more than one session in a day, you will see purple circles below the turquoise circle. Each purple circle will count as one session. Clicking on the turquoise circle will display your treatment results for that specific day. In the settings, you can change your account settings and configure specific features to personalize your treatment. All changes are saved for your future use. One of the cool features that we added is the energy mode, where you can adjust the energy level for greater sensitivity. In the operation mode, you can choose how you want Vertica to work. Another useful feature for the treatment is the progress timer, where you can choose between sound and vibration that will notify you when to move Vertica during the treatment. The app has a self-test function that can self-test Vertica's device. Our last icon in the footer is our More button. Here you can contact customer care, make purchases, and more. Moving on to the treatment screen, on the top left we have the wave icon, which represents the radio frequency energy indicator to indicate the delivery of RF energy during the treatment. The triangle icon is the treatment indicator to show you the treatment is active. The treatment mode indicator indicates which treatment you are now in, while the treatment timer indicator indicates when this treatment will end. Outside of the timer indicator, we have our energy level indicator, which has 6 lines showing you the energy level you are currently on in the treatment. Another helpful feature of the app is the real-time system message and quality indicator that gives you live feedback during your treatment, helping you get the best results from your Vertica treatment.